This is how Sysdig provides the visibility you need to confidently run containers, Kubernetes, and cloud. Inside Sysdig, you get a unified view of your cloud and containerized infrastructure, along with any abnormal events and activities happening in your environment, showing the security posture of all your cloud assets and containers, and a summary of security events prioritized, allowing you to focus on what's most important. These events are mapped to regulatory and security frameworks, such as NIST or MITRE. We can see how Sysdig detected some suspicious activity, like several logins without multi-factor authentication. Sysdig offers detailed information for each event, like what users did log in and from which IPs. You can dig deeper into a region, then a specific service, up to the individual instances and container that is running on it. This unique level of depth allows you to discover sophisticated lateral movement attacks. But let's roll back. Something fishy happened in our EC2 service. In the Events tab, we can uncover a timeline of the suspicious activity. First, a terminal opened inside a container, then a process started crypto mining. This looks bad. We can now react, investigating this incident with Sysdig audit capabilities. With the Sysdig Activity Audit feature, we can inspect this terminal session and check how a suspicious script was installed into the system. Now we have a better understanding of how this container was compromised. Beyond your Cloud Activity view, you can group your events by user, focusing on one user in particular or excluding them completely from the view. And this overview also extends to your Kubernetes clusters, allowing you to focus on a cluster or a specific namespace down to an individual container. Sysdig is full of handy features. For example, you can reduce noise by hiding or excluding a given alert type, avoiding alert fatigue. All these features are complemented with schedule compliance checks and on-demand reports for standards like NIST, PCI, SOC 2, or AWS CIS. Here you can get a quick overview of your security posture, how many of your resources are compliant, and also detailed remediation instructions. Sysdig performs inline scanning of your container images deployed in your cloud, with customizable out-of-the-box policies for the most common compliance standards. You can block vulnerable images and analyze the scan results. The Sysdig UI allows you to filter by registry, scan result, or by where the scan took place. And this is how Sysdig will help you manage your cloud security posture more efficiently. All these features are available in the free tier of Sysdig Secure for Cloud. You can get it now or request a free trial of the Sysdig Secure DevOps platform through our website. Thanks for watching.